How to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. How you can simply fix this error if this happening on your Facebook Marketplace website or on the application. Now this is the Facebook Marketplace. I will simply click on it and open it on my browser, and you can see this is opening very clearly and without any problem on my browser. But if you cannot log into your marketplace, if you cannot see it, how you can fix this issue? Firstly, you should check that if this is available in your country, and the second thing you need to check that if your network connection is full in strength or not. Please check your Wi-Fi connection or the data connection, everything you have on your PC, because this type of error usually happens if our PC is lagging somewhere or it's creating some network issues. Please check all of the things, and then you should restart your PC within some seconds, and then again after restarting try to log into your marketplace. Let me just do that. Here you can see that is opening right now. I'm not facing any error right now. So do this and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching the video.